This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together. Just like you, you're just like us, and we'll be friends forever. We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together and be best friends forever.
It's the start of the weekend.
And we are going camping.
Camping weekend. Mummy! We are in year 1 at Hatcham Primary.
And it's Friday.
Right, what are you doing?
Great!
Go dance around the corner in the car. Are we ready to go camping?
We're off on a weekend adventure.
Topsy and Tim! We are going camping! Okay, in the car. Topsy, you first. There you go. We're
Going.
Camping!
We're going camping! You okay, Topsy?
I feel sick.
Oh. Okay, I'll open the window.
Mummy, I need a wee already.
Okay, I'll pull over at the next petrol station.
Okay.
Oh, what are you two like?
When we stop, Tim has a wee, and I get some fresh air, and we both change out of our school uniform.
And we're on our way.
Look, I think we're nearly there. It's got 2 tents on a side.
Well spotted. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I saw it first. Oh, I always see it first.
Oh, we're here.
We're here! We're here! We love camping at Fieldhouse Farm. Oh, look! Is that Kerry? Yes, it is. It's Kerry. Look!
Oh.
Hi, Kerry.
They beat us. Hi. Hello. We made it. Right.
Kerry and her mum and dad are camping with us this weekend.
Hi, Kerry. Oh, lovely to see you. Here you go, darling. Out you come.
Hi, Kerry. Hi, best friends.
Right. I'm going to go and say hello to Mr. and Mrs. Wilkins in the farmhouse. Who wants to join me?
Oh, me. Wait, Dad, don't go yet. Me too.
Yeah?
Me.
Yes, good.
Me.
Topsy.
Do you come? Oh. Topsy, are you feeling poorly?
Got a tummy ache, Mummy.
Tell you what, why don't you stay in the car and I'll put up the tent and then I'll get a blanket, okay? And I'll snuggle you up, make you all nice and cosy.
I'm staying with Topsy.
Oh, okay. Then it's me and you to get the milk and eggs from the farmhouse and then get a nice campfire going. Okay.
Can we make an omelette?
Yeah, what would you like in your omelette?
Mr. and Mrs. Wilkins own the campsite. They live in this big farmhouse.
In an omelette?
They're really nice. Mrs. Wilkins is a doctor.
Hello?
Hello?
Oh, hello, Brian. Lovely to see you.
Nice to see you.
Look at you, Tim. Haven't you grown? Oh, where's Topsy?
Oh, she has a bit of a tummy ache.
Oh, poor thing.
Oh, is Monty here?
Oh, the old fella's in his basket as per usual. Come on.
Hello, Monty.
You wanted to make some milk, weren't you?
Oh, you read my mind.
Oh.
We came back.
Oh, there we go.
Hello, Tim.
Hi, Mr. Wilkins.
Oh, lovely. Thanks, Mr. Wilkins.
Lovely to have you back.
Lovely to be back. Tim, time to go.
Oh, Bye, Mr. Wilkins.
Bye.
Bye, Monty. Bye, Mr.
Oh, it is lovely to have you back here at Fieldhouse Farm. You have a wonderful stay. And
Thank you.
don't forget, if you need anything, please just come and knock.
We
Thanks,
will.
we will.
Thanks, bye.
Bye,
Look at those.
Eggs. Is that by the chicken over there? When Dad and I get back to the tents, we see that Topsy's feeling better. She's drawn a family of faces on a muddy car with Kerry.
Don't be doing that. You can do you. There.
No more drawing on the car, thank you. Oh.
Kerry, please could you wash your hands? There's a tap just over there with some soap.
My hands.
Okay, go and wash your hands. And then after that, we can look for some dry firewood and make a campfire.
I was going to
We'll be staying at Fieldhouse Farm when
We collect enough sticks, not just for our first night camping, but for our second night too.
And here we are on Saturday, drinking hot chocolate and singing our favourite campfire song.
Singing aye, yippee, yippee, aye. Singing aye, yippee, yippee, aye. Singing aye, yippee, 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 aye.
Who fancies some marshmallows then?
Oh,
I do. Would you like some marshmallows?
My tummy pain's here now. It really hurts.
Oh, Topsy. All right, come on.
Ow!
Oh.
Ow!
All right, Topsy, come on. Let's get you into the tent for a lie down. Good girl.
still poorly?
Yeah.
Okay. I think I'd better have a word with Mrs. Wilkins. She's a doctor, so yeah.
Oh, Dad.
Yeah?
Can I come?
Yeah.
I can hold the torch.
Okay. I hope we didn't interrupt your supper.
No, not at all.
Dad and I go and see Mrs. Wilkins, and she comes back with us to check on Topsy.
Hello, Topsy.
Hello.
I think you're not feeling very well. Can I just touch?
Feels really sore.
That's there. Oh, right now. Right. It could be a number of things, but I think it might be appendicitis.
Oh, so Mrs. Wilkins,
Yeah.
she said that Topsy might have something called
Appendicitis?
yes,
Oh.
appendicitis. I think so, yeah.
Oh, poor thing. It's not nice, is it? Don't worry, though. Be totally fine, okay?
Right, Mrs. Wilkins thinks that it would be best if I take Topsy to hospital. So that's what I'm going to do, Tim, okay? Will you stay with Dad for me? Okay.
Okay.
Good boy.
There's nothing to worry about. I think she's going to be absolutely fine. We just need to get her to hospital and then they can check it all out. It's the best place for her.
Okay. You stay with Dad.
Oh, you could be better.
Into the car, darling.
Hi, Mummy.
And Tim,
Bye, Topsy.
Topsy is going to the best place to make herself better, okay?
Okay.
All right, good boy. We'll see you in a bit. Let me help you with the dog run. Right, let's get you out. We're here at Belfield Hospital. Here's my good girl, nice and gentle. Okay. All right, there you go. Good girl. Okay, I've got you. This way for me. Straight ahead at Belfield Hospital. Here we are.
Dad,
Yeah?
can you just tell me what will happen to Topsy again?
Okay, so a hospital doctor will examine her, and then if she does have a poorly appendix, a special doctor called a surgeon will operate on Topsy and take the appendix out. And she won't feel anything. Okay?
Okay, good.
Let's get some sleep.
Dad, I can't wait to speak to Topsy in the morning.
Aww.
Good night.
Did you get any sleep last night?
Yeah,
Next morning, we speak to Mummy at the hospital.
And now Topsy's doing really well after her operation. She just needs to rest and get better now. And how are you, my twin-tabulous Tim?
Oh, I'm great. Look. Here,
Okay, there you go. Show Mummy.
look.
Oh, wow! Did Mr. Wilkins cook it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're having a big breakfast.
Show
Look.
everyone. There you go.
Hi.
Oh, hi, everyone. Hi. Oh. Topsy's waking up now. Would you like to talk to her?
Oh, yes, please.
Hello.
Hiya. Hi.
Let everyone see Topsy.
Look. Here.
Topsy. Oh, Topsy.
Hello.
Oh, Topsy. Hello, darling.
I think she's just woken up, hasn't she?
Oh, you look so sleepy.
I'm tired, but I don't have any tummy aches anymore. And that's when Tim said, I miss you, Topsy.
Oh, I miss Topsy. Dad, can we visit the hospital? And I really miss Topsy.
Let's pack up the tent and Carson will drive us home. Okay. And we'll come and see you soon, twin-tastic Topsy.
We'd like that.
Bye.
And that said, Dad, was that.